Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by running the app in debug so the inspector can connect. Once the app is live, open Flutter DevTools or the IDE's Flutter Inspector tab and attach to the running device. Make sure you pick the correct device or emulator in the device selector, otherwise the tree will be empty. Now locate the widget tree pane and enable Select Widget mode. This first connection step gives you live reflection of widgets so you can inspect layout, properties, and state interactively. Once connected, use the Select Widget, the pointer icon, to hover over UI and see highlights for render boxes and padding. You can click an item to open details, constructor arguments, current property values, and layout constraints. Make sure to expand the diagnostics node to inspect children, keys, and stateful element info. If you need to diagnose layout shifts, use the render tree or toggle visual overflow indicators. These steps let you connect what you see on screen with the underlying widget composition. You now make targeted changes, edit code and hit hot reload to see updates immediately, or right-click a widget to rebuild just that subtree. If state seems wrong, inspect the element state object and set breakpoints in the IDE to step through lifecycle callbacks. When something fails, check layout constraints, overflows, and the debug console for exceptions. If the inspector stops updating, reconnect the device and restart DevTools. Often a quick reconnect resolves stale or missing inspection data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.